Right, we're looking at simplifying ratio here. Now, simplifying ratio is very like simplifying fractions. Hooray, I can hear you all shout. Right, but basically it's knowing your times tables. Okay, so we're looking for the largest times table that both the values or all the values are in, okay, because it doesn't have to be just two numbers in a ratio, it can be as many as you like. Alright, so if I look at 16, now I always set these out the same way as well, I should say. So I always set them out 16 to 4. Alright, what times table are they all in? Well, they're both in the 4s, so I'm going to divide by 4. And if I divide one by 4, I've got to divide the other by 4. Okay, so I should get 4 to 1. In fact, I should have done that all in red. I'm using green for this is my OCD. So there's my answer. That won't go down any further. We want to leave all the numbers as whole numbers unless we're told otherwise. Okay, now 10 and 25, we've got 10 to 25 here. What times table are they both in? Well, they're both in the 5s this time, so I'm going to divide by 5. Okay, how many 5s in 10? Well, it's 2. How many 5s in 25? That's 5. There we go, and there's our answer. Okay, so basically, and we can't go down any further. Could it be 1 to 2.5 or something? We don't really want decimals or fractions in it unless we're asked to do that. Now, 32 and 24. So here we go. We've got 32 to 24. Now, that one's a little bit tougher. I'm gonna, because I'm not sure what to divide by, what the biggest times table is. I know they're both even, so I'm going to divide by 2 and divide by 2 initially. Oops, there we go. So I get 16. Oops, sorry, this is my OCD again, do apologise. So I get 16 to 12. Now I know they're both still even, so I know I can divide by 2 again. You can divide by more than once, sorry, if you need to, but you just remember you've got to keep the numbers whole. So 8 to 6, now it's a bit more obvious, isn't it? I'm going to divide by 2 again. And notice I'm showing my workings. Each time I'm showing every single line of workings. And so I'm going to get 4 to 3. Alright, now you may have spotted that they're both in the 8 times table and you might have divided both by 8. But if you didn't, you can keep dividing until you can't do it to get whole number answers. So there you go.